Welcome to tutorial. Today I will guide you how to take a backup of your WordPress website. So here you can see I have also 251 posts on my website and pages and comments. So sometime our hosting going to crash and we cannot paying billing on our time, and that's the reason we need a backup of our website to and sometime we are migrating our website one hosting to another hosting, then we need a backup of our website. Today I will guide you how to take a backup of your website in easy and simple steps. Now go to plugins sections. You need to install an plugin and now add a new plugin. So once you create, and now right here updraft, use this plugin. Now click on install. Now here you can see updraft WordPress backup plugin. This is the best plugin. Here you can see 3 million plus activate installation updraft. Now click on installation, and now this plugin installing. Now click on activate. So here you can see currently 3 million plus active installation. Now click on settings. Now go to updraft plugin, and now then go to settings. So here you can see a backup button. So don't click on backup now because we don't want to create this backup on our hosting. If you click on here, your backup will create on your hosting, and we don't want to create our backup on our hosting. So just go to setting. First go to setting. Here you can see file backup schedule. So every 2 hour, every 4 hour, and every 12 hour, and daily and weekly. So how you want to take your backup? So select a time after 12 hour, 2 hour, and 1 day, or weekly. So I want to take a backup of my website weekly. So select a timing weekly, monthly, overnight, and I choose a weekly because I am not updating my website daily basis. So I think weekly is okay. And now if you want to change this to or 1 to 2, and you can, if you want to change, and you can change. So updraft wallet. So Ututu is a backup of a previous version of our backup if you want to change. So here you can see updraft wallet, Dropbox, Microsoft Azure, Amazon SFTP, Dream, and Google Cloud, and Google. I like Google Drive because it's a Google Drive by Google. So Google Drive folder. So take may give a folder name, and here you can see include plugins, theme, upload, how much upload of your pages, posts. So all of your backup will create in your Google Drive. If you want to get a email of your backup, and click on tick mark them. Now click on save. So you need to verify, you need to connect your Google Drive with the updraft. Now click on this link, and they will redirect you your Google account, and click on your Google account email which you want to connect. So I am just blur my Google account. Just click on link and connect your Google account, Google email with Google Drive and updraft connect. And now will Google updraft will take a backup in your Google Drive. So here now complete is setup. Now click on complete setup. So we are successfully connect our Google Drive with updraft. So we exit backup is 0. Now click on backup. Include your database in the backup. Include your file in the backup. Send this backup to remote storage. Now in the 3 or 4 minutes back I am missed the plugin section. Now you can change this option. So here you can see following remote storage option are configure Google Drive. So here you can see in the previous some time back I am missed the plugin section. Now I am solve the I just recover my mistake plugin. So here you can see I solve my I recover my mistake. So now all of done. Now click on backup now. So now click on backup now. Only allow this backup to be deleted manually. Keep it even if it so only allow. Just click on this button if you want to delete your previous backup from your Google Drive if your storage is not completed. So here you can see it take 3 or 4 5 minutes. I am just skipping this method, so just waiting 3 or 4 minutes to take your backup. So after waiting 3 or 4 5 minutes our backup is created. You need to take wait for 5 minutes because my WordPress size is big. My website size is 453 MB almost. So here you can see go to site health and you go to setting and tool and go to site health, and here you can see info. Now click on info button and here you can see directories and size. Here you can see WordPress directory size is this directory size is too much. Update directory size is 235 MB to 2 MB 84 MB and total installation size is 436 MB almost. So here you can see my total website is 436 MB. So it's take a time 3 or 4 minutes, maybe 10 or 15 minutes. It's depend on your WordPress website limit. So how much your website big and it take a time. So now we successfully take a backup of our website in Google Drive. If we lost our hosting and our website is going to crash, we have our backup. We don't need any take attention. So we have a backup. If our website going to crash, we will go to our new website and install Updraft plugin and connect with Google Drive, and we will take a backup of our website. So here you can see we're going to Google Drive. So I think I am going to wrong side. Go to Drive. So here we are going to Google Drive and we are checking. We are going to our Google Drive account and we are checking our backup is available or not. Here you can see Updraft Plus. So here you can see backup files, backup 3 folder is created in our Google Drive. One is I think plugin and other is post and number and other is maybe themes. So here you can see our backup is created, and now we are going to folder. Here you can see Updraft Plus folder is available. Here you can see I going to check. So here you can see 237 MBs, and now and second is 2 MB. I think this is a theme, and now this is size is 1 MB. Maybe what is this, I don't know. And now this is and 6 MB. Here you can see our WordPress website is backup is successfully created. I hope this tutorial helpful for you how to take a backup of your website. So this is so simple. If your next week your backup is created automatically, if you want to delete your previous backup, just click on delete, because we don't need a previous version or backup, because this plugin automatically create a new backup. Goodbye, I will meet in the next video.